Welcome. Today I got this Sanders 45 millimeters. I tried to do it underwater, but I was a little busy, so now it's all in wet and stuff, and we're gonna do an out of pack wet French lock pick. So let me see if I can pick this one, right? So open this one up. So that's why you see it's all red and nasty and all the things that we don't want. Alright, so let me find a tool to open this nasty package. Actually, I don't have my knife here. It sucks a little, to be honest. But this also works, as you can see. There we go. Alright, so there's a lock and the key, and it's all wet and nasty. I'm gonna keep the package so I know what lock we have, and we already got rust. So you see it's a really high quality lock. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. Nice, actually not bad. Let's see if this still opens. So it was in the water one time, like a week ago. And I had it on the side, just laying it around. It does work. It works pretty well, considering all the rust. Let's get it in a vise and let's try to open it. We got a big keyway. I will try to rake it first. Let's see what happened. What's happening here? I'm not the biggest raker, to be honest, but I can give it a try. Gonna worm it maybe. Okay, so let's just do the normal picking stuff. That's a key. And I need a pick. Let's try my go-to pick for everything. First one, nothing. Second, nothing. Nice click out of 3. Oops. Click out of 5. Going back to 1 is nothing. Gonna reset really quick. Did a little rotation here in the core. A 3. So I'm gonna move the tensioning. So I can see a little more. I have the feeling my pick is not ideal for this lock. Oh, we open. Okay. Okay. Well, that was a standard 54 millimeters out of the box, all wet and rusty. Not too hard. Want to get a feel for it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.